tubular.
Do it again. I missed it.
Totally tubular, dude.
Alright, we're gonna attempt putting all the hoses on before we put the engine in the car, because it'll probably be easier like that. Good thing everything is labeled. Napa with the starter hookup.
So what's broken about this tent? Oh, some of the pieces are just...
What is today? What is today, Colin?
This is Miata finally goes in the engine.
This is the day. Today is the day. Wrong
The
answer.
day.
Wrong answer. Close the hood on yourself. Close the hood on yourself.
You serious?
Take it off, hook it there.
He's like, dude,
Alright,
there's like cycles where I just get like a
getting ready.
buzz.
Put it in the car.
And I'm like,
We got it
not
over.
high.
Shaka bra.
Shaka bra. Good 30 yards,
He's like, dude,
but
I'm drinking, like, a bottle of water
we're
a
good.
day.
I thought it was just a knot. So what is this? Is this gonna take this off too, or is it just
The whole thing's gonna come out. Yeah.
Oh, really? Perfect. But there's like a ball on the inside, right?
Yeah.
That like,
Yeah, let's see.
here.
yeah.
I mean, I guess.
SpaghettiOs. This hoist can't move forward much more.
We take the bumper off. Get like we can keep getting closer. Let's just take this off. This little fucking.
Oh yeah, that's actually gonna make like
That's gonna make a lot.
huge difference.
Night, boys.
We're getting it done. We're taking this thing apart. We got the bumper off.
It's already.
We got that bash thing off. And now the hood's coming off.
Here. Does it seem like it's going the right way?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. My side's going up. You're good.
Did not think this thing would go in like this. So that's fucking awesome. How happy are you, bro?
I'm so cooling right now. We're not done yet.
What are you doing under there? Look how close the drive shaft is to your face.
Oh, I love it.
So, trial and error. We've been trying to put the engine and the transmission in here. You know, taking the motor mounts off and stuff, but we're just linking up the PPF. And then we'll try to get the motor mounts on there, but then we're done for the night. Or day if it takes until tomorrow. Or the next day. What if we level it so it goes that way more, and then it'll like come up more?
Yeah, as long as I can get more room in.
Oh, but the problem is
We literally have this in this car right now.
we're so close, man. One mount down, we're like 3/4 the other way through the other one. Fully in there. Yeah! Fully immerse.
I'm gonna wipe my nuts.
What's that?
I'm gonna.
All right, day after we got the engine in. This is kind of messed up, but we're trying to do all the wiring, just connecting stuff together where it goes, or what we think it goes. We have absolutely no idea what goes to what, but there's a lot of little plugins, so we're just gonna go based off the manual and just pure godly intuition, and hopefully we'll get it all done. We'll put all the hoses on there, and I think we're gonna order a manual ECU because we have an automatic ECU, but this is a manual car. This was an automatic engine. Shouldn't really differ anything aside from the ECU though, so.
Okay, and then so we need this one and this one, and we're gonna need.
What you been doing? What'd you do today?
I made a car.
Got radiator in? What else you been doing?
Stuff. Lot of electrical.
A lot of electrical.
Yeah.
You guys got these, right?
Yep. I made
Cut from
those.
the old harness. Nice. Nice, man.
lot of fucking bullshit.
Is it starting today? Starting today?
Might.
What else do you have to do today? Like,
Trans
what's
fluid,
left to do? Trans fluid?
and then we pray that everything works.
Is all the wiring done?
Well, we need to hook up some grounds, but it's done. Everything's done.
Awesome. Awesome, dude. I'm excited.
Me too. It was shifting so. Oh wait. Let me think. Did it have fluid in it? No. No. Can you? No. Can you pull the turret up? Oh, what? You want me to? I can take it out. I'd like to see it. Yeah. I'd like to see it. Take it out.
Uh-oh. Getting ready to jump it. We're so close. We're so close.
I told you. Let's get to the bus.
All right.
Ready?
I'm ready, man.
I'm fucking. Shot it in here. I gotta get like real in there. Hey, let me see it.
We're getting ready, man.
This could just go to a ground. This doesn't have to go anywhere.
Or you could just put it on the terminal then.
Yeah, but it's like harder. Whatever. I'll try. It's totally smart.
Yo, the fucking headlights just moved.
No way.
No way.
Went up and down.
All right. I'm gonna hop in.
Should I start my car?
No.
Okay. Okay.
Yo, so the mass airflow is connected, but it's not connected to the.
Wait, it won't reach?
No.
Okay.
So we're just gonna. Okay, do you want?
No. I want like.
It won't
forget
reach.
the mass airflow. Like forget
Here,
the
you want me to
plug.
record
Put the actual filter on.
Do you want me to record too?
You know what I'm saying?
How,
If you want.
How does this come out? Can I get like a light?
Yeah. Sorry.
You're good. Come on, you fuck.
I feel like that might be a good
Okay.
sensor to have while it's running, though.
Well, yeah, but it's not actually doing anything if it's not.
Wait, hang on. This thing like.
Just like flop it over. Just make
Wait.
it so there's a filter on
I'm
the car.
trying to fit the damn piece of.
What?
Come on, you fuck. It's like. It's got like.
Yeah. You're almost there. You're almost there.
Yeah. Sorry.
There's not much.
All right.
Okay, go ahead. Wait, hang on.
Oh, we got some dash lights.
Belts spinning, but
Hang on.
not much was happening.
I mean, I feel like it's not even like.
I feel like it's just cold, man.
No, that's not it, bro. It's.
No, Mike.
All right, well,
fuck
let me hit-
you.
I feel
Oh,
like you do
look at that. Oh. All right, part 2. Let's see. Hold on, let it just sit, because the fuel rails, let it sit. The fuel rails have to get fuel from the actual tank. Let it sit just like this for a second. Trust.
You guys hear it?
Yes, that's the fuel pump. It's getting fuel to the rails. Let it sit, bro. Trust. Not yet. Give it like a minute, man.
Listen to some radio, please. Let's listen to.
Yo, the fucking air fuel ratio is on right now.
You ready?
It doesn't look like.
Give it a shot. I told you. All right, just turn it off and then let it go on again. Turn it on again. Let the fuel just build up in the rails.
Okay. All right.
I was making more movement.
That was
than
fucking.
before.
That was. It was.
All the
fine.
lights are on.
That's
See,
fine.
trust.
Yo, you gotta check engine on it, dude.
No.
It's there though. We put the engine in.
No. Ready?
Yeah.
Don't do it.
Nothing. I think it would be great if we could have that connected to that, but we don't have piping for it, right? Okay.
Ready?
Whenever you're ready, bud. Just in case. That was better. It sounded better, didn't it? It's faster.
You guys were doing electronic.
Turn them on. Turn them on.
Yeah, dude, took us.
Flip them up and down.
We were doing the electrics for like 4 hours.
Wait, why aren't they wanting to move? Oh, fuck. That's...
You're good. Yeah, I don't know.
That's alright. Massive W.
Big W. Big W for the night.